konnichiwa. Today I'm in Otaru in Japan for the first time. There's some little stalls, there's tourist information, you can get maps about things. Just like all the Japanese port, it's very welcoming, lots of info, and so we're going to explore. So once you walk in from the ship, it took us 20 minutes to get to this area. And when you get in here, the main attractions are here around the canal area and the high street. And have a look out for this. There's little pedicabs, which are locals driving people around on a kind of horse-drawn carriage, but it's a man-drawn carriage, and they can take you around and show you the main sights of the city. If you want to do this, it's right here. It's very cute. Next door there's a massive shopping place with tax-free shopping if you want lots of souvenirs, and so many restaurants. One starting right here, lots of local dishes and lots to see. And just around the corner here is the canal. It's a lovely area to walk around. There's some converted warehouses with shops. There's pretty photo stops, lots of nice restaurants around the area as well. And on Chuo Bridge we have the Tourist Information Center. It's a huge one with a nice cafe inside. They've got free Wi-Fi, lots of information about the area, and even a statue of the local little famous dog outside. So we are fans of sake, the lovely Japanese rice wine drink. So we've come to Tanaka sake place here in Otaru to check out how it is made. When you come inside, it's just 10 minutes walk further on from the first part of the canal. There are loads of sake that you can buy, you can see, and sample. So we're trying some local Otaru sake. This is Otaru Matsayume. The next one we have is Takaragawa, which is the #1 sake here, the most popular one. It has a distinctive sake smell. So after you have your tastings, you can come into the shop, you can buy the sake tasted, and there's even fish treats including little herrings, which is what the town is known for. Now, as you walk along the canal area, an interesting museum to check out is the Octoroon Museum. This is it. It's in an old converted warehouse building. It's 300 yen to visit, so it's just around $3. And it gives you the history of the city, telling about its past linked with the herring trade, the fishing industry, whiskey industry just a little bit further in Boichi, and sake, the links there, and people and what people did here. So it's an interesting little spot to learn all about the city. Also, this is the former Mitsui Bank. It's now a museum. There's an exhibition on at the moment called Ukiyo-e exhibition, which is scary pictures of Ukiyo-e. As you can see, he's pretty scary. It's 500 yen to go into this special exhibition, and it's in the old bank building, so it's a very grand, nice old building as well. You can see this as you walk around. Also, if you do want to go out of Otaru and take transport out to Sapporo, this is the cheapest way to do so, and you can do this from the bus depot here, just around the corner from the canal, and it is just 610 yen for adults, and the buses go every hour, and so you can go out there to visit for the afternoon if you want. And it's about half an hour away. As you're walking along, a great place to buy the Octoroon music boxes is right here in the Octoroon music box shop. And many different songs you can choose from. There's different Disney songs, nursery rhymes, songs from different famous Japanese films like Spirited Away and My Neighbor Totoro, which we love. And there's classical music, and you can hear the music everywhere. Really, really beautiful pieces, and you can even see people at work making them. Another local produce is the glass here, very pretty stuff. So Kutaichi Venetian Art Museum. Right here, you can hear the glass products everywhere. They're in every store, and so you can go in and learn how it's made here, and even take a class and learn a little bit how to do it yourself. And this is a Kutaichi crystal shop. This has the locally made Kutaichi glass. Very pretty crystals, very nice. Loads of things to choose from. So we like to stop for street snacks, and this is where we're stopping today. You can have little curry buns, they're called. They have different curries inside them. Shrimp one. We're going to go for the butter chicken curry. There's white curry, beef curry, green yellow vegetable curry, all kinds of curry. They're 350 yen, and they look just like this. They smell a little bit sweet and very yummy. So it's not just Hello Kitty and Moments fans that are catered for here. If you like Snoopy, then check this out. We've got the cafe on the second floor, restaurant, and Snoopy shop on the first floor. On the restaurant, all the dishes are Snoopy themed. You can have Snoopy's face and Charlie Brown's face on pretty much anything you can eat, and even marshmallows in the drinks. Another nice museum is the Antique Museum, and they have music box concerts on throughout the day from 10 through till 4. They last 15 minutes. You can buy more beautiful music boxes, and you can hear the music everywhere. And And this is the famous Octoroon Music Box Museum, where you can learn all about the tradition of how music boxes are made here, why they're important to the town. And also, you can book if you book in advance, you can arrange to come and paint your own music box, help make it, and choose the song that you want to have in it. So it's a very nice little personal gift. Inside, you can see there are thousands of music boxes to choose from. If you want to get one as a gift for anyone, they're a lovely present, all different styles, all different shapes, sizes, price ranges, and types of songs as well. And outside it, this is a steam clock, which was a gift from Canada. This was made in the gas lamp district in Vancouver, and it was sent over here as a gift to Otaru to symbolize friendship. Also, look out for the shop selling Snoopy things and my new Japanese favorite, Octoroon. This is Octoroon from the film My Neighbor Totoro. He is super cute and he's lovely to come visit. If you need any practical shopping, this Aeon is a shopping mall that's very close to the ship. It's just over 5 minutes walk away. Basically come off the ship and you're going about 2 blocks back to the left, and you can't miss it. It's pretty big. It's got all sorts of practical stores, fruits and vegetables and toiletries and cute things and restaurants and clothes. So if you want to try rice, this is a good place to do it in the shopping centre near the ship. On the first floor, right at the back, there's lots of restaurants. It's called Koitama. These are the different kind of rice dishes you can get. There's loads, and it's kind of like an omelette. And the idea is you cut it open, and there's rice inside. Ta-da! And I'm having one with ebi tempura. And let's give it a shot. And it's got this duck sauce with it. Oishi. So we have some bread.